There's only two directions your eye health can move through at any point in time. That's destruction and stabilization or repair, okay? So there's no neutral. Our eyes and our health structurally and functionally are either breaking down or they're repairing, recovering, and generating. You notice when you see less and your vision progressively declines, that is destruction, degeneration. Your eyes, the structures and the functionality of sight is deteriorating. It's breaking down. It's not a good sign. So what we want to do rather is shift that and pivot to therapeutic strategies, lifestyle habits, actions, behaviors that are going to move us away from destruction, degeneration, more towards stability, recovery, repair, regeneration. Again, there's no neutral. So you're either building up, repairing, regenerating, or you're breaking down, you're continuing to lose vision. So every day your eyes are responding to a lot of different stress factors. Circulation, blood flow, hypoxia, are your eyes breathing and respirating, or are they not? Do they get the vital nutrients that they need to survive, to repair and generate, or are they not getting them? They won't get them. You won't get the oxygen. You won't get the nutrients. You won't get the vital substances that you need to repair and regenerate if you don't have proper blood flow. Your eyes need to repair, they need to regenerate, and in order to do so, that requires oxygen and vital nutrients. Also, inflammation, that's another stress factor. Are you managing inflammation? Without managing inflammation, your eyes will deteriorate and degenerate. Oxidative stress, another thing we talk about quite a bit. Free radicals that can beat up and accelerate the aging of your retina, optic nerve, your macula, all the structures of your eyes. Also, neurological signaling, the wiring and firing of the cells of the system from your retina to your optic nerve to your brain have to be optimized. Metabolic health, larger macros like metabolic issues, hormonal issues, sleep, hydration, diet, all of that, exercise, very, very important. So finally, visual strain habits. How much time are you spending on screens? Are you using blue light protection? Are you staying hydrated? So I want you to consider that destruction and stabilization are these two forces at work. And you have the choice to help your body repair and regenerate, or to ignore it and let your vision and eye health decline. Now, if you're looking for help, looking for support to help your vision and your overall health repair and regenerate, feel free to reach out to us. We can talk about your condition, talk about what's going on with you or maybe a loved one. Reach out to us. Click the link below. We'll give you some information. Find out if or how we can help you. Dr. Andy Rosenfarb with AccuVision, where your vision is our mission.